This is a tutorial on how to create a mind flare like vine from Stranger Things in Houdini. So this is my vine. I have imported an animated asset in Houdini as an Alembic file, and you can do it with FBX or you can animate it in Houdini. But I had some vines I animated from the animation I created recently, and I wanted to show because I didn't find any video on how to put volume in an object in Houdini. So I'm creating this video. So first you go to the file you have inside here. I have a camera, as you see already. You can add a camera later on or whenever you feel like. Also not a camera, I don't know. So this is my asset. If you import an Alembic, make sure you unpack it with delayed load primitives. And here you can see all the selections here and all the stuff here that will make my vine work. What you do next is you click for a resample node, and as you add the resample node, you make sure it has a lot of divisions and all that stuff. That is gonna make the quality a lot higher for the volume. Then you add an sketcher. In the sketcher you can increase the points, and I'm increasing mine to 10,000 because if you see 1,000 it barely has anything, but 10,000 it actually has a lot more detail, and it feels like 10,000 actually is going to be okay. That's it. Then you add an attribute noise, here, and you click here remover, so you can act as a remover for some assets and all that stuff. So here you click remover. If you had CD, it will look like this, but remover it just makes it this dark material it has. Then you make sure this is enabled. You go 0.3 for the element size. That will actually help later on. And you click animate noise, and animate noise you have 0.3 as well. It will actually animate the noise later on as you go on to the different assets later on. This the warping and all these things they are okay. You can turn this off, turn this on. I don't make much difference. I turn it off either way. Let's turn it on. Then you add a popnet. It's a pop network, and as you go here, you see the geometry kind of changes. Don't worry, it will work. Mine is an Alembic, that's why it does that, but it will work. I've tested it. Then you click on points, and here on birth you go to you click here for constant birth to 100. You click here 0.2 and 0.1. This will change the birth, like how long it's gonna stay there on the screen. You can increase it or decrease it the way you please. when I made mine, it felt like that's what I needed. Then you add a pop wind. And on the pop wind, you reduce the resistance to 0.5 and you increase the amplitude to 1. And then you add a pop group. And in the pop group, you'll need to enable this. Yeah. Here, you'll add this code, length v at v, get velocity, let brackets, yep, so that's what you do. Yep. Yeah. And actually here, don't forget, put fast group. Right. So now we've done that, we'll add this pop. We'll add this pop. Replicate. Here on the pop replicate, you'll add a breadth of 30,000. You'll enable this. I forgot to enable this, but this is really important. You need to add the fast group here, because if you don't, you'll have the circles here, the animation will work properly, so it won't look like clouds falling down from the vines. It will kind of look kind of bad. So you'll decrease here the life expectancy as well. Here it will be like when the noise kind of falls down. You change the shape as well to 0.3. You don't want it to be too big. And on the attributes as well, you click to add to inheritance, to click 0.2 here. This actually depends on the size you want to have. Mine is not that big, so looking for something small. So yes, I think here we are. Now we're gonna copy and paste this. We're gonna merge it here, but we're gonna add to 100,000, right? 100,000 breath. We're gonna keep the life expectancy the same. We're gonna go to source. Yes, it's points. We're gonna go to attributes. We're gonna click add to inheritance, 0.5 and then 0.44 on this. And then we're gonna click on, we're gonna add the, we're gonna take this a bit further down so we can add a few more nodes. Pop tract is the one we're gonna add. Pop tract 4, 6, and that's for that. And we're gonna add another pop wind. Pop wind. And we're gonna 0.5 until of 1 again. And yep, that's it for the pop solver. Yes, record. Yes, cool. I made sure I'm recording. So then we want to cache everything. File cache. Because it's gonna take a long, because we want to reduce the amount of time it takes for it to load. So we can cache it, here we give it a name. Let's say Vine Stranger Things, Vine underscore, Vine underscore Stranger underscore Things. And here we have already made a folder, but we can go to desktop, make a folder Stranger Things. Vine. Yep, I don't think I have. So you click accept and then save to disk. Well, I don't need to do it. I already have it, but yeah. So yeah, file cache. I don't know what did it anyhow. Anyways, then we're going to go click annul. And yep, then we don't need to do anything here. Then we're gonna add a clean, and it's gonna clean some IDs and some stuff. We're gonna click on this and click on this. We're gonna add here only, remove attributes. We're gonna remove some IDs and some unusual lists. Yes, we are okay. Now, as you see here, it has cleaned it a bit. From what was here. Yeah, has cleaned some stuff. And now, what we need to do is where is it? Wait. We need to add some VDB from particles. V from particles. Here we're gonna reduce the voxel size to 0. I had it 11, but I'll do it to 0.1. Then we're gonna unclick this. Take some time because it starts to rasterize some stuff. So we click this and I'm gonna click this fog. It's gonna take hopefully less than a minute. And then we're gonna reduce the point radius scale as well as the minimum radius scale. So we're gonna make this 0.1 and this one is gonna take some time. Cool. Yeah, that's why you cache it. Let me. Yeah, I love the cache. I will love the cache because it's taking some time. Let me see. Anyways, I'm not gonna add the cache now, because, yeah, here you see the volume, 0 and 0 for this one. Yeah, I'm not adding the cache. I wanna wait. So here, it has created some stuff. They're not visible. Let's make our background dark. It's still not visible. Is it barely visible? At least, yeah, it's barely visible. So here, you can see the volume being created. We haven't finished though. We're gonna add UDB called not a point attribute called val, and then when I create no called density out. You have it all capital also, doesn't really matter. And yep, that's that. And now we're gonna make see, here it's, yeah, then you can add an area light as I did as well. An area light, and I put mine to the almost pinkish, so I can create like that kind of shade, and 30 to 30. Also, you can copy the same the nodes you created here to all the vines except the file cache. You can copy and paste it, and you can have all the vines have the same volume on them, and it will look good on all of them. Then you need to create a material. In our case, we use blue smoke. See? Yes, we use blue smoke. Here I had a smoke intensity of 10. I made it dark red because Stranger Things is kind of red thing. And smoke density of 300 and shadow of 20. You can play around with this and make sure that this is on density, but you can play around with this and see what suits for you. Then I increase the turbulence to 8 and roughness to 1, and I click on the do noise. Okay. Then here I click again density, I added emission, and then I anticipate the color ramp to the colors I wanted and make sure this is white. Don't think I will change here. No, I haven't. So yeah, you play around only with this, this, and this, and this. And then you can have a render, hopefully not this, hopefully it works. Yes, so you can have something like this, and I will show you the animation I created using lines as well in a bit. And yes, basically this is the tutorial. You can use now any way you want. Also, there are some cases you can actually create a pop network to create like a more smoky kind of more cloudy rather volume rather than what this is. This for me looks more like certain things. That's what I liked and that's what I used. And that's how actually you can create any object into volume kind of. There are some other ways, but I didn't find any on YouTube. But yeah, this is it. Or on Houdini effects. This is it on how you can create something that looks decent enough like a swan. Here is not visible, but I don't know why actually. But yeah, this is it. Then you can, let's see, move the animation a bit forward. You can see how it looks. Wait, did I? Yeah, that's right. I will also show you the animation again. So yeah, that's it. Hopefully you learned something new. Actually, I don't want to forget to mention this. I got the inspiration to create this video from a video I watched a few days ago about a Thanos portal. There I saw some really cool stuff, how to create like a portal for Thanos, and I took some of the concept of creating the portal into this, and I managed to create the vines. So yeah, I wanna give a shout out to the person that created the video. I will hopefully have a link on the description for them. But yeah, that's that. Yeah, hope you learned something and have a good and great day, and hopefully you create something great with what you learn. Thanks for watching.